Dear children, good morning. Now I am teaching you English textbook, the first lesson, My Struggle for Education. The author of the lesson is Broker T. Washington. Now you have to know some summary of the lesson. In this lesson, the author was doing work in coal mine. There were two people with him who were also working in the coal mine. The two workers of the coal mine were talking, describing a school which was situated in America. Its name was Hampton Normal Institute of Virginia. They were two miners were telling each other about this great school. When the author heard about this school, he was very eager to go there and get education. After working in the evening time, when he reached to his house, his mother was rather big and broken in health. He told the idea of that school to her mother. He said, I want to go there to get education. He was very poor. He did not go any city, but he decided to go there to take education. His brother John was also very poor. He helped him some money. He decided to go there, but his mother was very weak at that time in health. She did not want to go there, my son. Anyhow, he bought a cheap satchel and some clothes, and he decided to go there. The author had idea that when I shall return from there, I cannot see my mother. He had not hoped to see again her, but his mother decided to send him to study. He went for taking education. He went some Bhutan and by train and by sea route. Anyhow, after many days, he reached Richmond city. Being very poor. He did not go any city, but when he reached the city Richmond in the night, in the midnight, he moved on the road. His money was also spent. He had not a single coin in his pocket. He was very hungry. When he went to the restaurant and wanted to some food and stay there, but all the shopkeepers wanted money, which was the author not had. In this way, he began to walk on the narrow road of Richmond at midnight, and he saw a side wall. There was a hole. When he was looking that none person were coming, he came from that hole on the ground, and he took his bag, put under his head, and lied down without food, because he was very hungry, tired and dirty. He slept down on the ground, put his bag as pillow under his head. Being hungry and tired, he was very restless and slept down in sound sleep. When the morning became, many people went there to see him, who is lying on the ground. The sun has risen. The rays was increased, and when he awoke, he saw many people who were standing and looking him in this way. Anyhow, he knew that this place was the seashore. There was a ship stopped at the shore. Some iron pigs were unloading from them. Being very hungry, he went to the ship captain and said, "I want to work. Please give me work." The captain was white man. He said to him, "Come and work here." Many days the author worked and got money. First day when he got money, he went to the hotel and bought his breakfast. The breakfast was very delicious to him because he was very hungry. In this way, he did not stay there. He remained some money for his education to the Hampton Normal Institute of Virginia. He had some money for taking admission in that school. When he reached the school, he saw there many students were standing and waiting their admission in the class. When all the students had taken admission in that institution, in the last, the author, who seems very hungry, very tired and dirty, he also in the last went near to the head of that institution. The head of that institution was a lady. There was some doubt in her mind. Her admission was doubtable to head teacher. In the last, the teacher told to the Booker T. Washington, there is a room. The room had sweeping. In this way, she got a broom and sweep the room for 3 times, and after that he got a dusting cloth and he cleaned the all furnitures and bench, desks and chairs and blackboard. After dusting, he went to the head teacher and told him that I have swept and dusted the room. Please inspect it. The head teacher took her handkerchief and went into the room where the author, Booker T. Washington, swept the room and dusted the furniture and all things. She took her handkerchief and take in his hand, and she wanted to know, inspect. There was no dirt, a bit of any furniture. She quietly remarks that your admission had been done in this school. In this way, the author was very happy. Passage ये है, I was one of the happiest soul on the earth. The sweeping of that room was my college examination. I have passed several examinations since then, but I have always felt that this was the best one I ever passed. In this passage, there are some difficult words as soul. Soul means person, sweeping means cleaning, examination means test, several means many, always means ever. And after it, reference. This passage reference is, this passage has been taken from the lesson My Struggle for Education, written by Booker T. Washington. इसके बाद आता है कॉन्टेक्स्ट. कॉन्टेक्स्ट Here the author or writer expresses his inner happiness when he heard the words of the head teacher. I guess you will do to enter this institution. This is the context of this passage, and after it the explanation. The author says that when he reached Hampton Normal Institute of Virginia, he swept the room for 3 times and dusted 4 times the furniture, chairs, blackboards, windows, desks and benches. After cleaning the room, he went to the head teacher and told about his sweeping and dusting. The teacher was a lady. There was some doubt in her mind, but when he swept the room and dusted the room, he went and told, I have cleaned the room and dusted the room. Please inspect it. The head teacher went there and inspected the room, and quietly she remarked the admission of Broken T. Washington in her institution. On getting permission to join for education in the Hampton Normal Agriculture Institute of Virginia, he was much pleased. He thought that he was the happiest person on earth. He thought about him that he was the happiest person on the earth than other. He passed the examination. He passed the entrance examination of that institution by cleaning, dusting and sweeping the room. This was the first examination of his life. After that, in that institution, he passed many examinations. Many years he got education there. After that, but this was the best of all. The cleaning and sweeping of the room was the best examination of the life of author Booker T. Washington. He was very glad and cheerful, and he also regards of this examination as the best examination of his life. Which he passed in his life. 5 minutes. In his life. The author in this way got examination in Hampton, Normal and Agriculture Institute of Virginia. There were very difficult things for getting education. He had done many difficult work for getting his education and admission in that institution. Step by step, he suffered many difficulties in getting education. He had done work in the ship for loading, unloading the pig iron from the ship. Many days he worked there and got money. He saved some money for his education. Many days he worked on the ship and began to sleep under the ground many days. When he got some money surplus with him, he went to the ship owner and told, I do not want to work, I want to go for my admission. In this way, he tested there and he passed his entrance examination. He was allowed to take admission in that school. Many days, the author studied there and got a good education of English and other subjects. He knew that how much I have done difficult work in my life. I have worked for entrance examination, to sweeping the room, dusting to the room. In this way, hard work he had done in that school and he got education. He was very happy and always felt that this was the best and one examination of my life I have ever passed. Well, we see that everybody should be do difficult and hard work. The hard work and difficult work are the test of the life for getting chance for victory and success. The author, he passed in his life the best examination, that was sweeping of the room and dusting of the room. People should not afraid the difficulties he faced to them boldly, and who do the hard work in their life, they got success in his life and they became very famous. In this way, in the last, the author became an English teacher. He wrote many books and he became famous. In his life, we see that a poor person who does not afraid from the difficulty and hard work, they can get success in their coming life or their future life. If we also do hard work and difficult work, we should not be afraid of the difficulties and problems. We should get a good chance of success of our life. The author was very poor, and how he had done hard work for getting admission to educate for himself. Children, every children should not be afraid the difficulties and hard work. They should face to them boldly and with courage. They will get a good chance in their life. As the author Booker T. Washington had gotten success in his life and became a famous English writer and drama and other things. Okay. Huh? अच्छा